Can you hear me and see me clearly? Good morning to all of you. Okay. So today I will discuss, you can see that I will discuss about the English grammar. Okay, good morning. Very good morning to all of you. And before that, before starting with the grammar, I will just discuss about the term 2 syllabus. Okay, term 2 syllabus I will discuss. All of you marked it in your copy or book, whatever you can do, and I will don't worry, and I will also provide this in your e-portal also. But today in this class I am discussing about your term 2 syllabus. Marked it in your book or write it in your copy, you can do. Okay, term 2 syllabus. First I am discussing about the grammar. Grammar, here will be chapter 13, chapter 14, chapter 15, chapter 16, chapter 17, and composition also. Okay, so your term 2, the grammar syllabus is chapter number 13, chapter number 14, chapter number 15, chapter number 16, chapter number 17, and composition also. Okay, and your text syllabus. In your text syllabus there will be the tiger and the mosquito, first chapter, the tiger and the mosquito, the tiger and the mosquito. Second chapter is clouds. Third chapter is Anandi's rainbow. Anandi's rainbow. And fourth chapter is the tailor and his friend. The tailor and his friend. And also all of you know that PT2 is included in term 2. Okay, PT2 is included in term 2. Keep it in mind. And so I have discussed about the syllabus, and I will also provide this in your e-portal. Okay, so I am repeating once again. Grammar, the syllabus is chapter number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and composition also. And from the text, the tiger and the mosquito, clouds, Anandi's rainbow, and the tailor and his friend. Okay, and PT2 is also included in term 2. Okay, all of you have marked it. Now I will start with the chapter now. Okay, so I am erasing the board. Okay, and today I will do chapter number 18. Chapter number 18, that is the comprehension. That is not in your syllabus, but I am doing this so that you can understand that how you can read the chapter, read a passage, and from that how you can give the answers. Just for your understanding, I am doing the chapter. This is not in your syllabus, just for your practice in this class. In these online classes, you will practice this with me. Okay, and just for your understanding, I am doing this chapter, that is comprehension, chapter number 18, page number 63. Page number 63. I am erasing the board. Okay, I hope all of you have marked it, and I will also provide this in your e-portal. Okay, so just for your understanding I am doing this chapter. So first let's read the passage from page number 63. That I am reading it, all of you try to read with me. Okay, Mani and Anand are friends. Last Sunday they went to a park. There they flew their kites. Mani's kite looked like a butterfly. Anand's kite looked like a star. The kites went high up in the sky. They looked so beautiful. All the children clapped to see the kites. Okay. So let's read this once again. Very short passage, only of 4 lines. Mani and Anand are friends. Last Sunday they went to a park. There they flew their kites. Mani's kite looked like a butterfly. Anand's kite looked like a star. The kites went high up in the sky. They looked so beautiful. All the children clapped to see the kites. Okay, so can we do the exercises? All of you please try to tell the answers from the passage. Okay, because these exercises you can find in your the answers you can find in the passage. Try to give the answers. Okay, so here A part, number 1, that is tick the correct option. Number 1, Mani and Anand are option A brothers, option B friends, option C neighbors. Right. And the other ones? Yes. So option B is the correct option, that is friends. Friends. Number 2. Yeah. They went to a, option A park, option B garden, option C street. They went to a, right. So A. Option A, park. Okay. Number 3. Mani's kite looked like a, option A star, option B flag, option C butterfly. Correct. Very good, Zareen, Devdeep, Mahfuzur, Rishabh, Kaustubh, right. Okay, Kaustubh. Good. Good. So Mani's kite looked like a butterfly. Option C. Right. Number 4. Correct. Children saw the kites flying. They, option A laughed, option B clapped, option C shouted. Yes, Zareen. Right. And the other ones? Yeah, Mahfuzur and Darsh. Okay. Kaustubh, Bithika. Okay, Bithika, now you are giving answers. Okay, fine. Right. So they, option B, clapped. And number 5. Okay, Bithika. Right. Okay, number 5. Mani and Anand flew their kites on Saturday, option A, option B Monday, option C Sunday. Yes, correct. Sunday. Correct, all of you. As I can see, all of you can find the answers from the passage. So, can we continue with the second one? Page number 64. All of you have marked it. Will I erase the board? Okay, so I am erasing the board and let's do the next part. Yeah, from the B part you can see there is another passage. Let's read it. It was Sunday yesterday. So Salma helped her mother at home. First they dusted the drawing room, then they cleaned the cupboard in the kitchen. They did not watch television. They watered the plants in the lawn. Salma picked some flowers. She put the flowers in the flower vase. She put the flower vase on the dining table. It looked so beautiful there. Okay? So let's do the exercises now. First, let's do the true false. Number 1. Number 1. Salma did not go to school yesterday. Yes, so it is true. Number 2. Salma and her mother watched television. Yes, no, correct. Rishabh, Mafju, Devdeep, Kaustubh, right. Zarin, yes. So Salma and her mother watched television. That is false. Number 3. They cleaned the cupboard in Salma's room. Is it? Yes, they cleaned the cupboard in Salma's room. That is also false. Correct. Number 4. They watched the plants in the lawn. Sorry, they watered the plants in the lawn. 4. Yes, true. And number 5. Salma put the flower vase in the drawing room. Yes, it is. Salma put the flower vase in the drawing room. This is again false. Correct. Right. Okay. So true, false, false, true, false, true, false, false, true, false. Okay. Okay. I hope all of you have marked it. Correct. Now the next part, I am erasing the board. Here we need to arrange these 4 lines, means 4 words, and which after what has happened we need to mark according to that. I will write it in arranged way. Okay. So the first work that has done, that is dusted the drawing room. This is number 1. You will just write the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Okay, beside the lines. Number 2, it is clean the cupboard. That is number 2. Yes. And then the work that has done, that is watered the plants. Number 3. This is third work. And number 4, that is put the flower vase on the table. Put the flower vase on the table. That work has been done. Number 4. Yes, on the table. Yes, Devan, very good. So, today I have done only page number 63 and 64. Okay, you have done. Very good. Right, very good. So, now I will take your present. All of you give your present. Write P your present in the chat box. And no one will leave until I finish, okay? No one will leave. Okay. So I have taken all of your present. Yeah, I have taken all of your present. Okay. And today I have done up to page number 63 and 64, and I have also discussed about the term 2 syllabus. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Yes, I have taken all of your present, dear. Bye.